Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really handy workaround for something that a lot of us Google Sheets users wish we could do. How to delete your version history in Google Sheets. Now, if you've ever tried to remove your changes or edits from the version history, you've probably noticed Google Sheets doesn't actually let you do that directly. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know a clever way to get a clean sheet with no version history attached. Alright, let's dive in. First off, it's important to know that Google Sheets saves every change you make, automatically creating something called version history. This is fantastic if you ever need to recover an old version or see who made what change, but sometimes you might want a totally fresh start. Maybe you're sharing a file and don't want others to see previous versions, or you just want to tidy things up. While there's no magic Delete Version History button inside Google Sheets, there is a simple workaround from within Google Drive itself. So here what you'll do, start by heading over to your Google Drive. You can either type Drive Google.com into your browser or click the grid of dots in the corner of Gmail or any Google page to find the Drive icon. Once you're in Google Drive, take a moment to find your Google Sheets file. If you have lots of files, I like to use the search bar at the top. Just type in the name of your sheet or even type Spreadsheet to filter only Sheets files. Now that you've located the file you want, click on it once to highlight it. Here comes the key part, right-click on that file. A menu will pop up and you'll see an option that says Make a Copy. Go ahead and select that. Google Drive will instantly create a duplicate of your sheet for you, and you'll see it appear in the same folder, usually with copy of at the beginning of the file name. What's really neat here is that this brand new copy is completely fresh. It keeps all your current data and formatting, but none of the version history. It basically resets the clock, giving you a version of the spreadsheet as if it had just been created today, with no trace of earlier edits or comments. At this point, double-check the copy to make sure everything is there and looking right. If there are any specific tabs, formulas, or formatting you want to ensure carried over, give it a quick once-over. And just so you know, if your original file was shared with other people, this new copy will not automatically inherit those sharing settings. So if you want others to have access, you'll need to reshare the file or adjust the sharing permissions. Once you're happy with your copy, you have the freedom to delete the original sheet, the one with all the version history. Just right-click the old file and select Remove or Delete. That's it. You've now got a fresh Google Sheet with a clean slate, version history free. So while there's no direct button to erase version history in Google Sheets, this workaround gives you an effective way to start new or share your data without any past edits attached. I hope this tip was useful for you. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and let me know in the comments if you have any other Google Sheets or Drive questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.